Hey guys, so now we have a heated pan which we're going to pour some olive oil in. And now we're going to add our tilapia.
We're gonna cook this for 2 minutes each side.
You can smell it already. So now we're going to put this aside while we cook our lemon butter sauce. So now we're going to add our chicken broth. Scared me. And then our capers.
Some parsley. And our lemon juice.
And
just mix it and reduce the liquid.
now we're gonna add our butter. Let that sit around. Hey guys, so now we are going to put the tilapia back in and cook it for 1 minute. That looks nice. So now we are going to put it onto a plate. Sorry, not back on. So now we're going to cook this until it's thickened.
This is almost ready. The sauce has thickened.
So now the sauce is ready and thickened, so we'll pour it onto the plates with the tilapia. On the top of the tilapia, you can choose to garnish it with some parsley, and you can also serve it with rice and vegetables. Putting some parsley.
Hey guys, this is the finish of pan-fried tilapia with lemon butter sauce. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, thank you for watching. Bye.